wanted to take a moment and thank all of you for entrusting me on this 30-day journey. My goal in doing this series is to give you various options that you could do to help give you 3 regular cycles, and after that point, you can have that structure in your life to be the best self, and also give you that opportunity for that fertility window to help you along your fertility journey. The thing that I ask is that you stay consistent with the tips, doing any one of the acupressure tips, couple minutes, couple times a day, and incorporating some of the diet tips. You don't have to do every diet tip every day, but if you can incorporate a few, perhaps every other day, it'll sway the odds in your favor. Of course, work with your physician. It's the best of both worlds, the recommendations I give, and listen and go to your doctor and follow his or her recommendations so that we can help you be your best self as a woman on the planet. I sincerely thank you for entrusting me on this journey. I wish you all the best from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthi.